Hi, welcome to Braun-Bostich and Associates. I'm Amy, and today we're going to talk about codicils. We get some questions about codicils. People aren't quite sure what they are and how to use them, so I thought we might take a minute or two just to discuss them. A codicil is an amendment to an existing will. Usually it adds something to the will or it subtracts something from the will. The most common uses of codicil are change of beneficiary, change of executor, or to change or add to an asset distribution paragraph in the will. Codicils can be tricky though, and sometimes people try to do them on their own. When they try to do codicils on their own, sometimes they make mistakes. Codicil should be witnessed and it should be signed, depending on the jurisdiction. But even if your jurisdiction doesn't require that, I would tell you to do that anyways. An improperly written codicil could cause major problems for the estate. It could cause revocation problems. It can cause inconsistencies and ambiguity that would be problematic for the executor to sort out. Um, it can also cause some angst with family members. I've seen people use codicils when they meant to use a memorandum. So they listed out all this property that was going to beneficiaries, and now all that property will have to be appraised, causing additional cost to the estate. Um, we've seen families fight about codicils. You don't really want that. I've also seen people use multiple codicils, which kind of adds to the confusion. What's the best thing to do? Well, the best thing to do is to have an attorney. I would have an attorney draft your codicil. I wouldn't have multiple codicils. If you need multiple codicils, you should probably just redo the will. But of course, talk to your attorney about that. You should also keep everything organized together, the will, the codicil, in a place that it can be found. And most importantly, talk to your family. If you're making changes to wills, you should tell them about it. Tell them about it ahead of time so that they don't argue and fight about it later. Thank you. If you need more information about codicils, you can contact us at our website, braun-bostich.com.